What's up, everybody? Phil here. Got another review for you guys. Unboxing in this big box here. And it is a couple pairs of sneakers. Let me get right in, crack this open. So it is 3 pairs of sneakers, and they are all New Balances, mainly Dore pairs, the 650R. As you can see, I was able to get all 3 pairs. These were part of their early release program, like where you basically are able to buy them before they're made. So it took like almost like 4 months or something like that. I don't even remember when I ordered them, but it took a long time. And we finally got them in. They're packaged nicely with this this tie here to make sure the box doesn't get open. But yeah, they released them in the green, navy, and the gray colorway. Same colorway as the low top 550s. Get this right open. Okay. And the box is very similar to the 550Rs, except it's thicker, harder plastic. The 550, I have a box right here. You can see it's like more of that flimsy cardboard. This one actually has a solid box. And you can see it's basically the same layout, same New Balance ALD paper with that basketball New York Apple logo all over the paper. And this is the green pair. Comes with extra cream and green laces. But yeah, these are almost exactly like the low tops, except the high cut version. And yeah, it's pretty clean colorway. Same thing. It's got the hints of yellow all around with this nice shade of dark green. The laces there. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It's the first time I ever had hold the pair of 650Rs. It is a reissue of an older basketball model, same as the 550s. But yeah, it's basically the exact same thing as the 550s, except it's cut a bit higher. Pull out the gray pair also. And I'm sure they're gonna also do a normal release with probably their spring summer. I saw it in the lookbook, they had them in the spring summer lookbook. But yeah, these retail were, I believe they were 160 or 165. Yeah, this is the gray pair right here. Got the higher cut with that soft ankle lining right there. I actually have the gray pair with me, the gray pair of the 550 with me for comparison. If you can see right there. But yeah, it has the same New Balance logo on the tongue, but it's literally just an inch, 2 inches taller than the lows. I personally prefer high tops, so I was happy to see these were coming out, which I had a feeling they had to do the high top version. But you know, a lot of hype right now is around low tops, like the dunk lows. Everyone wants dunk lows, or it's kind of, dunk hype is dying out, but everyone wants low tops for some reason. Lows are doing better than high tops for everyone, but yeah, this pair, the leather does feel different than the low tops in certain areas. I don't know if it's just certain areas are gonna feel different, but The low tops feel a tiny bit smoother in certain areas, like this perforated area right here feels a little more stiffer and durable in the high than the low. The low feels more of like a smoother leather, but overall the quality is like exactly the same, I would say. And the cushioning on the low top has like a lot of thicker padding around the ankle, but the high top, that padding, that thick padding is very minimal there, but it does come up higher around the ankle up here and has the padding, but it's not as thick as this ankle padding on the low. But yeah, another cool hint is on this little gray tab here, the high has the New Balance branding right there. Also on the other side, when the low doesn't. They both got the branding on the back. And yeah, it's exactly the same basically. And let me also pull out the navy pair. That's the navy pair right there with the dark navy blue all around. The navy pair, in my opinion, looks a lot better in person. Like that navy is so dark, it's almost purple. If you can see on there. And the same exact thing as the other pairs. Same leather, same color, that off-white cream sole. Extra laces. Navy laces. Got that New Balance logo on the insole, and then the ALD New Balance Apple logo on the other insole, if you can see there. But yeah, right now these are the early release pair from that were a pre-order basically, and they will be releasing them. I'm sure they're gonna probably release them in a couple weeks or a week or two, but it was the same thing with that green and pink pair. I think they were the 1300s, the hairy suede pair. It was also like, it's basically the same deal with that, where you could pre-order them through ALD. And yeah, they're looking, quality looks good. Not like super premium, but they're pretty good. And the colorways are great color blocking. My favorite pair is always the gray. It has that like neutral gray, like vintage Jordan look to it. And I like the green a lot also, but the navy in person looks a lot better than what I thought. And yeah, got the Ortholite foams too, foam insoles. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the highs, lows? I'm more of a high top guy, so I can't wait to bust these out, and probably gonna just pick a pair to wear and just beat up, and then keep the other two on ice and see how they look. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think, and like and subscribe. Thanks.